If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coupang with the ticker symbol CPNG. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Coupang, and ever since we had a rally from the $9 level all the way up to the $13.50 level, we've just been going sideways. And I'll zoom in on the chart. We've been kind of going sideways since the 13th of May inside of this very tight range. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. It looks like prices were range bound previously back in April. You can see that if I included inside this range, we had this sideways price action before we dropped down and had a breakout on the bottom side. Now we came back inside this orange range and we're just consolidating between the $13.83 level and the $12.60 level. So we're just going sideways. The EMA is very flat, so it's just a very boring stock right now. It's not really going any particular direction. We're just going up and down in a very tight range. So that's what's occurring right now. We could see a bigger pullback all the way up to the $16 or $17 level because that's what the previous breakout was. I'm gonna go and mark it right now, and if we do get two legs up from right now, where are we gonna go? I don't think this has played out yet, or I don't think this is the bottom of the correction, but I'll just go ahead and put my measure move here. For example, it could be over here or even over here, but either way, the target currently is right at the $17.29 level. That's if we continue higher. We'd be going sideways, but is really not that bearish because we had a nice impulse up. We're just taking a break. We could see another impulse coming in the next couple of weeks or a month. If we start dropping down, probably gonna start filling in this gap right here and probably retest the prior low. Now, is this downtrend over? I don't think so. You can see that we've been going down pretty much since the IPO price. Even when it IPO'd, prices traded up just the first day and then even made a red day the same day it IPO'd, and ever since then we've been going down. So that's very bearish. Just not a good chart right now. You can see that we've been still inside of this downtrend pattern right here. This looks like the downtrend that prices have been respecting for quite a long time. If I zoom back in, you can see that we're kind of finding resistance near the midline of this channel. You can see that we're having a hard time pushing through it, and we're starting to see some bears come back in the market, or aggressive sellers. The reason I was expecting prices to bump up was because when we came back to the support side of this channel, we saw a nice rally to the resistance side. So I was expecting the same thing to occur, but again, nothing is always perfect in the market. So that would give, again, the same target right around the $16 or $17 level, which also makes sense. That's where the breakout level is, and that's where the potential measured move is. So there are multiple reasons why we should pull back this far, but again, it's not guaranteed. And we'll have to wait and see what the market wants to do eventually. So that's all I have on the daily chart. We just had an impulse up since it made that tentative bottom right around the $9 level, and we're going sideways for almost a month now. So kind of boring, but I'm expecting the sideways action to continue or eventually have that breakout to the top side. So that's all I have on the daily chart. We can go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Coupang, and again, this is the downtrend that's been in play pretty much since its IPO price. And since we bounced off the lower side of the channel, I'm expecting prices to come back to the top side. The way you can do it is a sideways formation, very similar to what we did right here, where prices bounced off the lower side of the channel right here and then traded sideways into the opposite side of the channel. So we could do the same thing. So I'm going to clone this and duplicate it and drag it down, and you can see that again, very similar. We have this major downtrend pattern, but we could do a sideways correction instead of something like this right here where we have a upward correction. So I'm expecting this sideways correction to travel all the way to this side of the channel, and the target is right around the $16 or $17 level. And then from there, I'm expecting continuation of the downtrend As right now, we have not had a break outside of the pattern in a new low, so the downtrend is still in play. There's a measured move target lower, and this would be the target for Coupang right around that $8 or the high $7 level. So we have not reached it, so I think sellers want to continue holding their position and continue taking short positions until this measured move is reached or we're close to it. We did come close to it. You can see that we stopped around that high $8 level, low 9s, but I think they want to continue dropping lower since we have not even been above the EMA on the weekly chart, and this downtrend channel still is a very healthy angle working lower. So no reversal signs as of right now, and I'll be still expecting lower prices even if we do come up all the way up to the $16 or $17 level. So that's everything I have for Coupang. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised and wait to learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.